Crazy! Finally, I find it! Hey! Gas, gas, gas! Oh my god! No, no! Speed bump. Where? My GPS just said attention, speed bump. Where? It's everywhere. It's a speed bump. Oh my god. I'm asking for it, you know. Oh shit, this is in here. I saw this cow so many times on pictures on TET. I didn't know it's in here. Crazy! Finally, I find it. Hey! GPS-ul a zis că mai avem 1 kilometru. I want the second gear. Oh no. Why did I go in here? Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Whew. Hey! Whew. Man. I'm going a bit slower so he can also record me with the 360 camera. Yeah! Drift. Oh my god! His tire is so full of mud. Gas, gas, gas! Push, push, push! Yay! Observ. Nu-i da constant. Oh my god. No, no. Aia o piatră. A fost o piatră. No. I'm at the worst position possible. Nu-ți place? Ma, unde-i mama să se spele? Vai de capul. This is for sure heavy stuff. He's gonna be so tired after this. Incredibly slippery. I'm tired. And if I am tired, I don't even want to imagine how tired is him. Yeah. We are riding towards Belgium, and yeah, we are passing a village now. Quite cute. More windmills, and you know how much I love them. Ha! Urban enduro! Let's go! Eh? Oh my god, what is happening in here? So that was it for today. That was a lot of fun, a lot of mud. Our motorcycles look very disgusting. A lot of dirt on them, but yeah, I don't really care. It was too cool for that. Don't forget to be adventurous. Subscribe to this channel and also like the video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bees! Bye bye! Say hi to Bandit.